About Mahindra Group. The Indian multinational conglomerate, Mahindra was first established in 1945. It is marked as one of the largest vehicle manufacturing companies all over the world. It has its vast presence in aerospace, agribusiness, aftermarket, automotive components, construction equipment, defense, energy, farm equipment, finance and insurance, industrial equipment, information technology, leisure and hospitality, logistics, real estate, retail, education and two-wheelers. This video gives you a brief note on all the Mahindra enterprises. Mahindra EPC Irrigation Ltd. The company was incorporated in 1981. Mahindra EPC Irrigation Ltd holds a current market capitalization of 374 rupees and 44 paise crore. The share price has been set to 134.5. Gross sales of the company was reported to be around 2,542 rupees and 22 paise crore with a total income of 2,573 rupees and 9 paise crore in the recent quarter. Swaraj Engines Ltd. The company was incorporated in 1985. Swaraj Engines Ltd holds a current market capitalization of 1,992 rupees and 76 paise crore. The share price has been set to 1,641.4. Gross sales of the company was reported to be around 9,865 rupees and 72 paise crore with a total income of Rs 9951.93 crore in the recent quarter. Mahindra CIE Automotive Ltd. The company was incorporated in 1999. Mahindra CIE Automotive Ltd holds a current market capitalization of 8,555 rupees and 18 paise crore. The share price has been set to 225.7. Gross sales of the company was reported to be around rupee 21448 crore with a total income of 21,645 rupees crore in the recent quarter. Tech Mahindra Ltd. The company was incorporated in 1986. Tech Mahindra Ltd holds a current market capitalization of Rs 140,223.41 crore. The share price has been set to 1,446.55. Gross sales of the company was reported to be around rupee 296409 crore with a total income of rupee 305627 crore in the recent quarter. Mahindra and Mahindra. The company was incorporated in 1945. Mahindra and Mahindra holds a current market capitalization of 96,359 rupees and 85 paise crore. The share price has been set to 775.40. Gross sales of the company was reported to be around 4,50,409 rupees and 80 paise crore with a total income of 4,64,973 rupees and 50 paise crore in the recent quarter. Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Service Ltd. The company was incorporated in 1991. Mahindra and Mahindra Finance Ltd holds a current market capitalization of Rs 19212.49 crore. The share price has been set to 155.5. Gross sales of the company was reported to be around rupee 103952 crore with a total income of Rs 105177.7 crore in the recent quarter. Mahindra Logistics Ltd. The company was incorporated in 2007. Mahindra Logistics Ltd holds a current market capitalization of Rs 5507.82 crore. The share price has been set to 767.35. Gross sales of the company was reported to be around Rs 29591.1 crore with a total income of Rs 29746.1 crore in the recent quarter. Mahindra Holidays and Resorts Ltd. The company was incorporated in 1996. Mahindra Holidays and Resorts Ltd holds a current market capitalization of Rs 4123.27 crore. The share price has been set to 308.55. Gross sales of the company was reported to be around 8,222 rupees and 45 paise crore with a total income of 9,087 rupees and 64 paise crore in the recent quarter. Mahindra Lifespace Developers Ltd. The company was incorporated in 1999. Mahindra Lifespace Developers Ltd holds a current market capitalization of Rs 3912.61 crore. The share price has been set to 761.3. Gross sales of the company was reported to be around Rs 896.36 crore with a total income of 1,363 rupees and 91 paise crore in the recent quarter. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos. Press bell icon so that you get all notification on time. Thank you.